Here we are with chickens.
Oh, I'm trying to catch Robin.
I'm trying to catch chickens. This is the easy chicken right here.
It's named Suki.
Yep, there's Suki.
Suki. Here's Casey.
Look.
My chicken, Casey. Wait, come over here.
I'm getting an extreme close up. And in here we have the elusive Robin.
Chicken!
It was often hard to catch. There she is. They're underneath the laurel hedge. They found they can escape the children there.
Ooh, Suki!
Here's Suki again. So we haven't seen Pee-wee up close yet. Or Robin, they're over here.
Okay, I'll get one of them.
A little bit shadowy here. Hope you can still see they're so beautiful. Here's Robin.
You need a close-up. Like,
Hi, Robin.
Mom, do a close-up picture to Suki.
Okay, I already did, didn't I? Suki! Okay.
This is Suki, the easiest to catch. Dad's chicken.
And she's so soft. Hey, Marina
Here's
Scott.
little Pee-wee, Milo's chicken.
Two cute chickens. I mean children. Okay, what do you want to say?
Suki, when they spin around and around in circles, her head is like a sprinkler. It goes. It actually does.
Okay, is it nice to make the chickens dizzy?
Pee-wee's saying hello.
Hello,
She's
Pee-wee.
saying yes.
Okay, Marina. Be kind to the chickens. This is our chicken exclusion fence to keep them out of the garden. Okay, I might have to take another video if the elusive Robin is ever caught. She's in here. Shh, we're going to try to sneak up on her in her natural surroundings. It's hard because it's so crinkly in there. There's the coop back there. They just love it. It's the best coop they've ever been in. They put themselves to bed at night. It's so cute. They go on their roosting bars. Here's Suki again.
Suki, shoo. Oh, Suki.
We love to pick up Suki. She's so easy. Okay, Milo.
Chicken Suki.
Do you want to tell the camera some of the nicknames you've given the chickens?
Oh, okay. Robin is soft chicken. Milo's chicken is poopy chicken. And my chicken is oozy chicken. And Dad's chicken is curly chicken, needs to keep cool.
That's awesome.
Cool chicken and my chicken and the me chicken lost a tooth.
Oh, extreme tooth close up. Quick, grab Robin. She's over there.
Robin.
All right, the end for now.